video. In this video, I'm going to break down how to use discount codes from Naira Trader. Now, this is one issue some people normally face because each time I go to their official Telegram group, I normally see where people keep asking this question: how do we apply the code? How do we use the discount code? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the code, guys. So I'm going to be using a code which is currently they are currently using for a 25% discount. All right, and this is a more like a new year discount of 25%. So if you're watching this video as let's say the first or second week of January, this might still be valid, though it's just for the first 500 traders. But I tried this code right now and it's still valid, so I want to use it to make this video. So this is a 2026 new year code, and the code here discount, and the code here is 2026 2026. So to use this code, once you are once there's a discount going on, you just copy the code, right? Then you head over to your Naira Trader dashboard or account. Now once you get there, you head over to, you click on the buy account button. It's going to be the same thing if you are using a mobile phone as well. Now let's say, for example, you want to go for the 1.5 million accounts. Now once you click on the accounts you want to get, now remember, now you can trade every single thing on Naira Trader: cryptocurrency, pair, energy, metals, whatever. I also did a video on that update as well, so you might want to check out that video too. So once you click on that account, then you head over to this area where it says buy it now. Now if you want to buy multiple accounts, right, you can use this add to cart the same way you shop on normal shopping sites. But if you just want to buy just one account, you just click on buy it now. Now once you click on buy it now, it will take you to your checkout page. Now you just select this and agree to these terms over here. Then you head over to this area. Now this is where you enter the code. You just have to click on this because here is asking you if you have a coupon code on. Then you click on that coupon, click on this link like text over here. Then this is where you now enter the code. So if you apply this code, which is currently live right now, you click on apply code, right? As you can see, it will tell you code coupon code applies successfully. So if you go to your order over here, you will see that the 25%, all right, which is for this code we just used right now, has been deducted from the initial total cost over here. So instead of 99,000 naira, you are now seeing 74,250 because 24,750 have been removed. So this is basically how to use discount code on the Naira Trader profile. Subscribe for more, guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.